He wants to know how bad we are. Touch our sister. Hasta amo kun moswati midondo wika America ni mtoka. Amo kunendo wiko. Thank you very much. We appreciate you. We greatly appreciate you. Thank you.
Protocol. We have room for one more protocol officer on our team. One has been dismissed. I just want to say thank you to everyone here for all your love and support that you've given my wife and me and my family. We are incredibly grateful to have the opportunity to come home and be with all of you for this celebration. To our officers, we appreciate you. And to the food, whoever prepared the food, Juliet. Yamanosa.
Thank you so much.
God bless you all, and we'll see you next time we come.